everyone is welcome to watch the disassemble video of the carbon AA battery. I'm Carl. Firstly, measure the voltage to find the new one because it's easier to disassemble the new battery. Firstly, peel off the PVC jacket. Peel the zinc can off along the curve of the head to the bottom. Remove the separate paper, the whole positive part come out. Slowly pull out the carbon rod. Remove the sealing ring and top cap from the carbon rod. Okay, that's all. See you the next episode of alkaline double battery. Thank you.